What's up, home bakers? Welcome to Home Bakers 2023, your go-to channel for all things home baking business related. Hi, I'm Chef Gandhari. I'm a chef trainer and a research chef. In the past 20 years, I have trained and mentored hundreds of students who are not only working in top hotels, but own restaurants and food-related businesses the world over. The past decade has seen an exponential increase in popularity of bakeries, cafes, and bakehouses, particularly in India. And due to this, there is a huge increase in demand for good quality and a wider variety of baked products. Additionally, the pandemic has caused the consumer to become more conscious of, health and hygiene practices in commercial food outlets, causing a leaning towards home bakers. Isn't that good news? All that's needed is that the customer should be convinced that his preferred home baker is not only following all norms of health and sanitation, but is also using premium quality ingredients. And of course, in this day and age of Facebook stories and Instagram, you have to be always and always ready to create something which is unique and bespoke for the customer. Simply said, you have to create and foster a very, very special relationship with your customer. And on this channel, that's exactly what I'm going to help you achieve, especially for those who want to take home baking beyond a pleasure for their family and friends and turn it into a lucrative business. This is going to be a one-stop shop, along with practical step-by-step instructions on marketing, pricing, procurement, client retention, latest industry trends, and baking for alternative diets as well. There will also be explicit how-to videos on business strategy, digital presence, and essential legal requirements. There will also be industry experts and specialty experts invited on the channel from time to time to talk about special and niche topics. In a nutshell, those who follow this channel loyally for the next 6 months will gain the knowledge of business strategy, industry trends, and of course baking, and various techniques which are absolutely essential for the success of a home baking business. So, without further ado, I request you to watch the video linked above, and if you find the content interesting and useful, remember to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and press the bell icon so that you can be the first to be notified when the next video in this series comes up. Should you have any questions or queries, do put a comment in the comment box or write to me on the email address given in the description box, and I will be happy to answer. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.